Directed drawing with Miss Kerri.
I can see it with my pencil crayon. I can draw it on a piece of paper. I can show it to you.
Hi everyone, hope you're ready to draw. This week's lesson, I can draw a turkey. Gobble gobble. Hi everyone, today we are going to draw a turkey. And we have a worksheet to do it on, and it has directions and step-by-step guides on how to draw your turkey. So for this, you'll need your worksheet, a pencil, and then some crayons or watercolors or markers or whatever you have to color your turkey. So as you can see, there's a step-by-step, there's 10 steps on how to draw a turkey. So I'm gonna try to zoom in just a little bit on my turkey art, just so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, so let's begin. Now, there's going to be parts where we erase part of our turkey. So make sure your pencil has a good eraser on it. So we're going to start in the middle of our square or rectangle, excuse me, and we're going to draw a little circle just like that. Then we're going to draw, step 2, another circle. And we're going to draw right through this little circle. So here we go. Okay. Now we're going to erase the line that goes through the little circle. Be careful not to erase your little circle, but if you do, you can go back over it. And brush away our erasers. Okay, so now in step 3, we do nothing. As you can see, we just have that erased mark. So in step 4, we put 2 circles, little colored in dots, and a little triangle for our turkey's eyes and beak. So an eye here, an eye here, and down, down, down. The next thing we're going to do is start making feathers. And we're going to start on step 5 all the way to step 8. Now, as you can see on your paper, the turkey feathers are kind of angled. You can make yours round if you want. They could be all different. That's the thing about feathers. They're kind of like leaves. They're all different. None of them are the same. It's like a snowflake. So I think I'm gonna just make round ones, or feathers with a rounded edge. So we're gonna start kind of right here. And you can put a little line, not an imaginary line, but a regular line right here and right here, and start our feathers. And it doesn't matter how many feathers you have, just as long as we go up and round and down. Ready? Up, round, and down. 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 And then up, round, down. Up, round, down. If you want to make a sharp one, you would go up, a line with a little angle, and then a line with an angle down, and then down. See how that one's got kind of a point? You can make pointed edges too if you want to. You want to have like a sharp turkey. And then we're going to go all the way down. Now, we are done with step 7. And on step 8, we have what? 2 lines that make his legs. So we're going to go line down and line down. Now, when we get to step 9, we have some more things. We have these little U's that connect, that make the turkey's feathers on the front of his body. And then we have 2 lines on each foot that make his little toes. So let's start with the toes. So we're going to kind of come, so you see how the line is? We're not going to come at the bottom, but we're going to come up a little above the bottom and make a line going to an angle. Kind of like a little diagonal there, slant. Another little slant, and a little slant there. and another one there, kind of like a V. You'd make it like a little V right there. And now we're going to make our little U's. So your first row should have 3 or 4, depending on your body size. So I think I might make 4 U's. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Your second row should have more. So let's try to do 6, but we may only get 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stop at 5. And then we're going to do either 3 or 4 at the bottom. So let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. Now your turkey has a line here and a line here to represent his wings, and then a little gobble waddle thing right there. So the little red part of the turkey, I don't know the proper name and I probably should. So here's this part of the turkey. Just kind of make a weird U shape. Kind of goes whoop, whoop, whoop. Kind of line down, make a circle, and then I want to be a line again. And then here, we're going to make we're going to start a circle from the side, but we're not going to finish it. We're just going to kind of do a backward C. So, boop. And then we're going to make a C over here. Boop. And look at that. We drew a turkey. And now the best part of drawing your turkey is coloring your turkey. And like I said before with the hippo drawing, you don't have to make a standard turkey. Your turkey can be however you want it. You can put patterns on it. You can do whatever you want. I think I'll make a turkey with a purple head. And we want to try to stay within the lines when we color. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes it's okay. I'm going to give him an orange beak though. And then let's make his weird little waddle. Let's make it lime green. Look at that. So, color your turkeys. Have fun. I can't wait to see what you've done. Thanks, you guys. See you soon.